Hey, it's the first day of spring. I'm the Red Tack, and I'm going to bring you something sweet to listen to from Johnny Barber's Colfax Museum here. This is called the Ballad of Slim Cessna.
Wearing out my metal horn, lighting fires down highway wires out to the good folks radio. All in rail, don't get no rest. Life is pounding in my chest. I'm so tired, still I'm wide. I wanna lay it down. Oh, it's been a long time coming, but I can feel this thing unwind. This fickle coil's got me snuggled in its knot. Let me slip, rolling by. Surrender now, take my hand and point it through the promised land. Shake you off, break you up, and give my all to you. And I'll call the spirits from the black, and I'll put it all upon my back and swing it round like a wedding gown until we're all back. Oh, it's been a long time coming, but I can feel this thing unwind. This little boy's got me snarled in its knot. Let me slip, let me break, let me slide. Let me breathe from its mind, from its mind.
That's right.